Hello, good evening once again. This is Avirat Shete bringing to you a new topic every day. Today, we are going to talk about how to develop confidence. Many of my students and viewers who watched the video last evening about overcoming the fear of public speaking, they actually told me that we want to learn how to be confident. We want to develop confidence. So I said, let me put down these points in my own style of making mnemonics. So the mnemonic for today is confidence. CONFIDENCE. 10 points. Ready? Let's roll. So if you want to develop confidence, my dear friends, the first and foremost, care for your mind and body. Care for your mind and body. Sleep well, eat well, rest well, think good thoughts, meditate if possible. I know many people think meditation is for oldies. It's not. The younger you start meditating, the more benefit it is going to have on your life. Take it from me, I have experienced it myself. It calms you. So eat the right food, sleep well, and make sure that you have a healthy mind in a healthy body. Because that is going to definitely increase confidence. So care for your body and mind. The next one, that is O. Observe. Observe right kind of people. Observe right kind of things on social media. Your social media feed may be full of not so good stuff because your choices are forcing the algorithm to show you such stuff. If you just focus on looking at good things on social media, whether it's YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, automatically your feed will be a much better and improved version, and you will see only good things, positive things, non-controversial things, value-adding things in your feed. So observe, follow the right kind of pages. If you really admire some person on social media, or even as an actor or as a businessman or as a politician, watch how they speak, see their actions. The observation is going to help you a lot. Basically, be like a sponge. The more it is poured in, it will soak it in. So be like a sponge and take things in from everywhere. Remember, you have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 mouth. So even Mother Nature has designed us like this, that the output is going to be half of the input. So better put in a lot before you start putting it out. Okay, then N, negative nako. Negative nako, no negative stuff. If you have negative people in your life right now, identify first whether they are because of you or whether they themselves are negative. So if there is a requirement for you to change yourself, self-introspect and try to become a better version of yourself. Okay, because we will obviously gather people around us who are like us, or we become like people who are around us. So if you feel that you have people around you who are bringing you down, pulling you down, time to re-look at the list. And if there is requirement for change in yourself, be honest and start the process of self-transformation. So no negativity. Then confidence, F. Fix small goals. Small goals. You want to overcome an addiction, you want to lose weight, you want to be more confident, you want to be a better singer, a better dancer, a better public speaker. Fix small goals. You are not suddenly going to be an amazing, confident speaker, dancer, presenter like the ones you see on TV. No, it's going to take time. But every small step is a progress. Just promise yourself this much, that every single day you will be a better version of yourself. That's it. No comparison with anybody. Don't try to copy anyone. Don't try to be anybody's clone. Be the best version of yourself. I. Involve yourself in some social activity. I for involve. Involve yourself in social activities. Why do I say that? Because that's a very good excuse for you to move out of the house, move out of your shell and interact with people. Go and do some voluntary work at an old age home or at an orphanage, or at some place where there are tree plantations going on. I know because of the pandemic it's going to be difficult right now, but eventually these things will come back to normalcy. So try and ensure that you go and do some social activity. When you see people who are less privileged than you, yet being happy, automatically your confidence in yourself will grow. And when you see them smile because of that one small activity that you did for them, maybe you fed them or maybe you sang for them, your confidence is going to go miles up. Okay, so indulge in some social activities, that's going to help you. Then D, Discipline is a must. Discipline is a must. You can't just change yourself into a confident human being overnight by just thinking about it. No. You need to act upon it. So all the points that you're getting here, along with that, you need to find out your own ways of what will make you more confident and what will add more value to your life. So you need to have discipline without fail. Okay? And the next point is E. Express fearlessly. Express fearlessly. Many a times we do not express ourselves openly. We think about what this person might make of it, what this person might think. Stop thinking of what they will think. What they will think about you is their business, not yours. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. So don't bother about what they are thinking. If you feel something is wrong, say it so. Of course, it is important about how you say. More than what you say, it's important how you say. So say it in such a way कि सामने वाला at least सुने, someone will listen to you. Okay, but express fearlessly. Initially, it might be possible that someone might mock you, someone might make fun of you, someone might ignore you, but eventually, if you are a sensible person having sensible points, obviously people cannot ignore you forever. Someday they will have to sit up and take notice. Okay, so it's not about giving up. You know who changes the shape of rocks? It's the wind and the water. The wind and the water changes the shape of rocks. Just imagine. If that is the force of something which are liquid or intangible, you, my friend, are a tangible force. Give it a thought. You are powerful. Next one is N. Nurture your talents. We all have some innate talent. Somebody is a great cook. Somebody is an amazing speaker. Somebody might be an awesome caregiver. Somebody might be great at caring for pets. Someone might just be amazing at playing cards. You have some talent. Make it your strength. Make that talent your strength, and that strength will give rise to your confidence, and then it will result in an amazing career. That passion becoming career can be the best thing that can happen to you. Okay? So nurture your talents and convert them into strengths. The second last one, C. Compassion for yourself. Many a times we do these two mistakes. Either we are very harsh on ourselves or we indulge in self-pity. No. Both are wrong. Have compassion. Be kind to yourself. Don't treat yourself too harshly. And don't indulge in self-pity. That's not going to help at all. But very importantly, be kind to yourself. It's okay to make mistakes. You are human. No one can be perfect. Perfection is a myth. No one can be perfect. Okay, even the sanitizer kills 99.99% of the germs, not all 100%. So don't try to aim for perfection. Just try to be a better version every single day. Alright? And the last and very important point, E, exciting vision. If you want to change, first think as if that change has already happened. So think about that. Look at that image of yourself in the future, the confident you, the bold you, the tough you, the one who's admired by all. Look out there in the distance and see as if it is happening today. Because when you have an exciting vision, the journey of transformation is going to be exciting. And once the journey is exciting, the destination definitely is going to be mind-blowing. So here's to a more confident you. This is Avirat Shetty. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon. I'm going to bring you one new video every evening. Thank you so much. Good night.